It is a very exciting day. Here is the new Orc Forge Guard coming out from Creaturecaster as a part of their Orktober release. So let's open it up. Comes packed in one baggie. Now you'll notice this guy is a little bit smaller than some of the traditional Creaturecaster models you will see, and that's because he is sort of that infantry size, similar to the matriarchs and atriarchs that they've been releasing recently. But here are all the pieces. It looks like there are 15 different pieces with this guy. And so you got your main body over here. And just incredible detail, as always. So you got your main body there. He has a giant shield, which is just fantastic. I'm guessing these are some armor plates that attach to him. They'll come with a couple different head options, one with a helmet and one without. A few different arm options to go with the shield, as well as the weapon options that you have. So for the weapons, you got this hammer, which is pretty sweet. You get a gun that he can hold, and also this giant mechanical we'll call it a wine bottle opener. He also has this lawnmower engine that attaches to his back to power his weapons, and as always, just a beautifully sculpted and detailed base. So next step we'll do is put this guy together, but in the meantime, if you're interested in taking a look at this model, he should be available for release around mid-October. Sorry for that abrupt cutoff. This is my first video. If you liked what you saw, please consider pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon to get notifications for when there's new content. The next video I'll produce is on assembling the model, and then I'll be painting the model mostly over Instagram Live. If you'd like to see more content, please let me know. If there's any specific content you're interested in, let me know. And if you have any thoughts or feedback, please leave a comment below. Thanks.